Hello everyone, myself Akshay Shankar, and today I am going to discuss the topic legal consideration for Internet of Things IoT devices. So first of all, we need to understand what is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is rambling arrangement of innovations that cannot be defined in a single definition. One functional view outline IoT as the utilization of system associate gadget and inserted in the physical condition to improve some current procedure or to empower another situation not to which was not possible previously. These gadgets or things associated with the networks to give information they assemble from the environment through sensors or to permit different systems to connect and follow up on the world through actuators. They could be connected variants of regular item you may as of now be equipped with or new and purpose built gadgets for function not yet realized. um, the Internet of Things is a registering idea that portrays a situation where consistently physical items are associated with the web and can distinguish themselves from different gadgets or processes by means of an IP address. The IoT is important in light of the fact that an item that can present itself digitally becomes something greater than the item by itself. No longer does the item simply identify with the procedure, but now interfaces with the encompassing items and database information, allowing big data investigation and bits of knowledge. Uh, Now moving towards the application of IoTs. The first application is smart homes. At the point when we talks about the IoT applications, smart homes are presumably the principal thing that is considered. The best model is Jarvis. It is personal home automation, and the Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg has created one for his home. One more example to be considered is Ellen Penn's home automation system, where the works in the houses are impaled by utilization of a string of melodic notes. Smart homes are generally in vogue among all the applications. The vision of a smart home is to control home apparatus, including light, water streams from taps, home security, and well-being. House proprietors get an opportunity to control and screen these activities from their so-called smartphones. What if you have mistakenly forget to turn off the water tap and you have left the house? You can simply turn the tab off from your smartphone. The smart homes permit you to deal with all your home gadgets from one small spot. Another example can be the Vimo by Welkin, who allows a client to control power, home appliances, water, and Wi-Fi from a smart home. There are likewise devoted smart home centers points that are offered as independent stages to interfere diverse smart homes items, and these incorporate the Amazon Echo, Amazon Home, Amazon Apple's HomePod, Samsung's SmartThings Hub, etc. Now, another application can be the health and fitness. IoT gadgets can be utilized to empower remote well-being, checking, and emerging notification frameworks. The IoT devices, for example, wellness trackers helps to follow the client's day-to-day exercise. For example, resting patterns, pulse rate, pattern of movement, statistics of exercise, calorie burns, and so forth. For example, Heroskin is a type of garment that screens breathing volume, breathing rate, pulses, and even the tracks the sleeping pattern of a user. Similarly, Fitbit is a fitness gadget that keep track and takes part in the continuous observation of a client's traveling distance, stairs climbed, stairs taken. Calorie burn and quality of sleep on the daily basis. These sensors gathers information through skin contacts and transmits data to smartphone and remote analytic devices. An example is the garment that recognize an individual's feelings of anxiety by checking their sweat. Another level of example is a tattoo sensor, which can be removed after its use and that can be observed by our body. Let's move to another application, smart wearers. There are also a lot of other wearers gadgets that make our life simpler. For example, the Sony Smart Bee trainer, Luxi Armed, or the Mayo Armand. The wearers are incorporating key advancement, for example nano electronics, natural gadgets, detecting, actuating, correspondence, low force figuring, representation, and implanting program into the smart frameworks to bring in a new functionalities into garments, textures, patches, watches, and other body related gadgets. Now, agriculture is one of the application of IoT. There are various IoT application in agriculture. For example, gathering information on technology, precipitation, dampness, wind speed, pervasion, and soil content. These information can be utilized to maximize cultivating procedure, make informed choices to improve quality as well as the quantity, the limit hazard and the waste, and reduce the efforts required to improve quality as well as the quantity. IoT innovation also allows the observing and the control of the plants and animals item during the entire life cycle from the rains to fog. The farmers can now screen soil temperature, dampness from far off, and even apply IoT procured information to accuracy fertilization programs. The smart farming can very soon turn to a significant application field explicitly in the agricultural product exports nation. Some other examples of farming IoT gadgets are AIM, METOE, or Pineco, etc. These gadgets are equipped for identification of climate change and the ecological information. Smart city is one of the major application and major development. Um, the reason behind why it is so mainstream is that it's attempt to evacuate the uneasy and issues of individuals who live in urban communities. IoT arrangement offered in the smart city sector take care of the different city associated issues, including traffic, lessening air and contamination, and assisting with making urban community more secure. Taking an example of a smart city, Barcelona has a city OS project where the aim is to make a solitary virtualized OS for all the brilliant gadgets and services offered inside the city. Barcelona has, for the most part, centered around the smart transportation and smart water. Palto Alto, San Francisco is the principal city of its sorts that adopted a total different strategy towards traffic. They understood most vehicles on the road go around and round a similar square looking for a parking spaces. That was the fundamental reason behind the traffic blockage in the city. In this manner, sensors were installed at all the parking spaces around the city. These sensors pass the occupancy status of each spot. Any number of users can consume that information. It can lead the driver through the shortest course to an open spot. uh, Now moving towards the legal challenges in India, the IoT regarding the IoT devices, what are the legal challenges that is faced by in India? Some that is the data privacy and the data protection. This is a major concern in India and all over the world, where the internet is one of the uh, important thing to carry out every single thing and every single activity of the day to day life. And every information of an individual is uploaded on internet, and therefore it becomes an major privacy concern and data protection concern to the government and to the every uh, and the concern of the world. Now, with the Internet of Things and M2M interfacing more things and individual to the web, it will significantly change their lives, particularly in the area of well-being, home remoteization, retail, and transport. The protection of the sensitive personal information is secured, need to be secured. It becomes highly important that such protection issues should be considered and solved at the primary level. um, Under in the Indian law system, these protection of sensitive personal information is secured under the Information Technology Act 2000 and the Information Technology Reasonable Security Practices and Procedures and Sensitive Personal Data or Information Rules 2011. As per section 43A of the Information Technology Act 2000, a body corporate not executing and keeping of the sensible security practices and strategies in regard of sensitive personal information or the data processed, managed or dealt by it in a PC resource owned, controlled or operated by it is subject to pay the damages to the individual so affected for unfair misfortune to any individual. The ITA India Information Technology Act additionally imposes harsh punishment for confinement, maximum of 2 years, or fine in maximum of 1 lakh rupees, or even both, on an individual who ties down access to any electronic record, data, etc., and who, without assent of the individual consent, unveils such a record, data, etc., to some other individual. The data ownership, another concern is the data ownership. The the building scenes of IoT brings its own arrangement of data ownership issues, as gadgets will be flawlessly associated and the speaking with one another, a lot of information will be generated. Taking an example of Google Next to comprehend the potential data ownership issue that may arise later on. The Google Next thermostat is a gadget that learns an individual's timetable itself and can be controlled from the smartphone. It is guaranteed that this device can bring down heating and cooling bills up to 20%. Google Nest is, as of now, working with organizations, for example, Mercedes, to develop car that can constantly interact with the Google Next indoor regulator and realize what time an individual will show up home, and in like manner, the gadget will adjust itself so the second you show up, you will have your ideal temperature. Presently, this correspondence between the car and Google Nest indoor regulator will include numerous sensors, including geolocation sensors, that will generate information. This information will give bits of knowledge into an individual's propensity. For example, preferred routes, arriving timing, fuels propensities, and much more. This information could act as gold time for promoters, which might take targeted publicizing to another level. So now the question which arises in relation to the ownership of data is that who actually owns the data in the above scenario? Is it the user itself, or the gadget, that is Google Next, or the car company, that is Mercedes? Honestly speaking, there is no straightforward answer to this question of ownership. It will simply be based on the business course of action between the client, the gadget, and the car company. The another concern is security. As IoT has involved a person's regular day-to-day life, coming through the industrial control to the individual's gadgets and framework, for example, transport and power, the security problem in this situation become more complex and difficult and have high repercussions. IoT and its union furnishes hackers with more vulnerabilities to misuse and make use security dangers. Such dangers could take an assortment of structures depending upon the idea of the information and the gadget being referred to. For instance, with regards to evaluating the assortment and the fast track of delicate individual data in an interconnected and open condition expands hazard in regard of patient secrecy, yet in addition has the unmistakably all the more disturbing potential to jeopardize life if that one takes the case of embedded clinical gadget controlling drugs based on autonomous information inputs. Therefore, it can be that lawful and authoritative improvement additionally need to occur so as to address the type of security issues. Product liability and consumer protection is one of the concern in the event that IoT gadget breakdown, or if the information or the programming is undetermined or lost, the people and organization may endure deformity as well as for a system failure to give correspondence as required. Hence, it is significant for IoT gadgets maker to buy and guard themselves with a product liability insurance. The product liability is a reason of law wherein maker, wholesaler, providers, retailers, and other people who makes items accessible to the general society are considered liable for the suffering those items cause to property or bodily injury. Initially, the claim related to the product liability has to be proved under the principle of negligence. But as the law developed, the courts across different jurisdictions begin applying the rule of strict liability in the case of the product liability, as the rule of strict liability is even more consumer friendly. Under this standard, the manufacturer of the item is at risk if the item is found to be defective, regardless of whether the maker was not careless in making that item flawed. The explanation for the courts adopting the strict liability rule is that a manufacturer can envision likely perils related to the item and take measures to defend the items from these dangers, while a consumer can't do so. It will be significant for IoT gadget makers to buy and guard themselves with a product liability protection and contemplate things while working. Notwithstanding strict liability and related torts, India has various enactments, including the Consumer Protection Act 1986, the Legal Metrology Act 2009, that secure buyers against the defective items, lacking administration, anti-competitive practices, and cause deceptive advertisement on account of perilous products. In addition to the other things, these consumer oriented laws additionally provide special courts that particularly work in kind of matters on a fast track basis and secure and allow the consumer to sue and procure remedies effectively when they are sold defective or fake item. Moving towards the conclusion, it is the future of IoT turns into value, but a huge amount of information increases its unpredictability in discovery, correspondence, and in delivering awareness. Yet its development will be expanded step by step. The current and changing sign of vulnerability are present with the use of IoT and its inaccessibility in the public eye. The protection of IoT gadgets is the multifaceted and process filled with complexity. The current danger of an inadequate legal system requires earnest action in the legal analysis and may require new methodologies in the enactments to viably manage the existing IoT vulnerabilities. As intensive analysis of the currently applicable legal system should be embraced, and wherever it is necessary, new components should be developed to address the risk and the danger identified with the IoT deployment. In the coming years, the curbing these difficulties will be powerful and bold, groundbreaking and strong step for the systems administration and the system correspondence in the business industries and academic areas. Thank you for listening my video. watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.